you always have to stick out your tongue when we're on the vlog. Hi everybody. We are feeling better today. Kai has actually, well, he's still stuffed up, but he's been sleeping since 10:30 and it's 12:30, so long nap for him. He should be waking up soon, and so should Daddy.
I'm gonna spray my hair.
You're gonna spray hair? No, I don't want you to spray in your eyes, so you gotta let Mama do it for you.
I want to do this.
Let me do it. Yeah, I'll spray it. Cherry cheesecake! My favorite.
My favorite too.
Your favorite too? Oh, hello? Hello? Oh, I see you. I can see you.
Got you. Packet. In this packet. Do you see this packet? Right there. I'm showing the view that packet.
Oh, good.
Okay, this was the first one I showed it. Right here.
Okay. This is what we need. No, we need this one first. That's the cherries that goes on top.
I showed all the view is that.
Oh. Okay, you pour this into the bowl.
I hope it's sugar, so it won't be.
No, this is graham crackers. This is for the crust.
Oh.
Okay, pour it in.
Whoa! It looks just like real graham crackers.
Yeah, it is real graham crackers. It's graham cracker crumbs. Okay, and then we gotta put in 3 tablespoons of sugar.
Sugar? Okay, wait. You have to put sugar in here for any of these things.
How much did I say? 3 tablespoons. So 3 of these.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
Oh, this looks like so.
1.
I make it so. Okay.
Okay.
It was sewing. It was sewing on top of a mountain.
2. One more.
I'm making it so in the bowl. It's so pretty.
And 3.
Make it so on the green crackers.
And now we need
It's all
1/3
white.
cup of melted
It's
margarine.
all white,
I
Mom.
know.
Why didn't we butter for it?
You're gonna have to melt some butter.
No.
Yeah, so it all sticks together.
I don't know why it says melt. I'm trying to lick out my finger.
The butter?
Yeah.
Ew. You like just plain butter like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't eat just plain butter. That's gross.
I'm trying.
Yeah, I'll melt this in the microwave for a minute.
I will look at it when it's done in the microwave.
Okay.
It looks like Elsa makes so in here.
Yeah.
Like I'm fraying it. I wish it said another coat to put. I wish you had another coat which you could put more sugar on it.
Yeah?
So now what are we going to do?
We have to make the filling too.
The filling? That swishy pack, this one?
Yeah. No, this is the top part of it, the cherries. We gotta make this part, the cheesecake part.
The cheese? It's my favorite, this hugging it. I want to see what it looks like.
Just melt it. Okay, and
Oh,
we're gonna pour it into here. Oh, look at that. I made exactly the amount that I needed. How amazing am I? Woo!
Ooh.
And now we gotta stir that all up.
It looks like the ocean.
Does it?
Yeah. It got ocean if you melt it.
Yeah.
I'm so serious with this part.
Okay.
That doesn't look yummy to me.
It will when it's done.
It looks
This
like,
is like the crust, the bottom part.
why do we need a cupcake for this?
Because we're gonna make, do you want to make a pie or do you want to make little cupcakes?
Isn't it a cupcake?
Okay.
Will we make the cake?
Well, which one?
Maybe a cupcake.
Okay, that's
Will we come? You want to make that pie? Or
Well, we're gonna make this, but we can make it instead of making it like a pie, we can make little tiny cupcake.
I can We can make whatever you choose.
I think we should do the cupcakes.
Okay. Well, I kind of think to shoot it as they were been like that.
Like big?
Yeah.
You want to make it like a big pie?
Yeah, like a
Okay,
big
we'll do
pie.
that instead then.
We could look like it will, if we put paper around it, it will look like a pie.
Okay, we can make it like this, like a pie.
Okay.
Okay. We'll put this down for a minute. Okay, now we gotta make the cheesecake.
Cheesecake? I was hugging that, so
Yeah.
it's gonna be all squish.
Okay.
Squish now. How will get it?
You can pour it in.
Oh, looks like so. Little here, little there, little so. It's sewing. It's sewing.
Careful, get it all in the bowl, okay?
It's sewing. Can I do that? Ah,
Okay, hold it right here and dump it in.
that was great. I didn't know it's going to be that easy.
Yeah, it's easy. Okay, now we gotta mix it with the electric mixer.
Now, that. Yeah, this. And it's going to say thumbs up. Yeah, cake like this. Oh, yeah, making your cake just like us.
What are you saying?
I'm saying to the viewers, if that cake just like us.
Is it kids like us?
No, that's cake.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Do you guys like cherry cheesecake? Leave us a comment below and let us know. It's our favorite. We
It's
love
me
it.
and Mom's favorite.
Yeah.
I think it's Kai's favorite
My
too.
mom always buys it for me when she goes to the States. Because it's the best. We can't get it here. Kai, what are you doing to me? Am I a road? You're driving your car on my head. What are you doing? What is it? Whoa. Caught it. What's this? Can I have this? Ouch. What does a car? What does a car do? Brum brum. Brum brum. Oh. Whoa. Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Where did it go? Say uh-oh. There. Are you gonna go get it? Yeah? Okay, go get it. Are you being lovey? Are you giving mommy hugs and kisses? Kisses? Mwah. Mwah. Give me a kiss. Give mommy a kiss. Down here, down here. You just want to kiss the camera? Mwah. Mwah. Kiss mommy. Mwah.
What's next?
Ready to put on the cherries.
Ready to eat the fun. It's red. I see that it's going to be pink, but red.
My goodness, Kai, what are you yelling about? Here, I'll get the spatula for you. You want to see too? Okay. There, you want to spread it around? Look. Ooh, does that look yummy?
I think he thinks it's Kai's birthday. I think he thinks it's a birthday.
Ooh, speaking of birthdays, let me just grab this camera for a minute.
Why?
I forgot to mention yesterday that Piper is now 3.5. Yesterday was her 3.5 birthday, right?
Yeah.
Almost 4.
And it's
6
big-
more months and she's
and it looks
4.
like a birthday
Crazy.
It looks like a birthday to be faster than this.
Yeah.
Because it looks like a cake.
Yes. It is a cake. Oh, no. No scissors for the baby. Okay, let's put you down now. Oh, you want to try your cheesecake? Upside down, but that's okay. Here. Do you like it? Is it good? No? Yes? Yummy? Or no? What do you think? You want more? So it was yummy? More? More? Do you not like it or do you like it?
I don't know if we should tell Daddy this because it's cake.
I know Daddy likes it though.
Yeah, we still can't tell him because like, Kai always has cake at me. So we can't say that to Daddy.
We can't say what to Daddy?
We can't
That
say...
Kai had cake?
Yeah.
Oh. Why?
Kai has 2 cakes in tummy now. And is it okay if he has another cake?
Why does he have 2 cakes?
Because remember when it was Grandma's birthday and Kai had some cake?
Yeah.
We still can't tell Daddy he having more cake.
Oh.
Just in case he is going to have lots of more pieces. Another piece.
Okay.
So we can't tell Daddy
Okay.
another piece.
Okay. You're stuck in there forever. Kai's giving you hugs and kisses. Oh, bonk. Bonk. Okay guys, kids are in the bath. It's almost bedtime. So I'm gonna say goodnight. You guys say night?
Night.
Say see you tomorrow.
I said night.
Say see you tomorrow.
I said night.
Okay, but can you say see you tomorrow? Okay.
A thumbs up.
Thumbs up and subscribe.